Welcome to Levitate Wellness. Today we are discussing what is yoga philosophy. So get your cup of coffee and join me in this discussion. First, let's discuss what is philosophy. Philosophy is the activity of finding the true meaning of why we do what we do. Now, we human beings don't necessarily have to hunt and gather anymore, and we make decisions based on logical reasoning of what we think is right. Now, over the course of so many years, people have an understanding of why they do what they do. Everybody follows a philosophy that they have learned over their lifetime. From the minute you wake up in the morning till you go to sleep, you follow a certain ritual and routine based on the philosophies that you believe in. Some of these philosophies could be something that you were taught as a kid and you believe in what you were taught in, or some of them could be mistakes that you have learned over a period of time. Philosophy is nothing but understanding why exactly we do what we do. According to Indian philosophy, there are 6 different schools of philosophy, such as Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Purva Mimamsa, and Vedanta. We are focusing on the yoga philosophy. Now, when I said in the first video that yoga is not an asana and it is mostly a lifestyle, what I meant was living according to the yoga philosophy. The word yoga, according to Patanjali, actually means to have a single pointed focus. When you practice meditation, you would have noticed that your teacher might ask you to focus on one single object. It could either be an object which is a candle, or it could also be an object which is internal, such as focusing on your breathing. Basically, you must not have any distractions in your mind, and your entire energy is focused upon this object. So, the philosophy of yoga is such that when you meditate with the object being your own mind, you tend to get revelation, or you tend to find something apart from all the distractions, and you get a revelation about what your life is all about. Patanjali in Yoga Sutra has explained a concept called Ashtanga Yoga, in which there are 8 limbs. The 8 limbs of yoga are yamas, niyamas, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. We at Levitate are here to help you achieve the goal of yoga by following the 8 steps of Ashtanga Yoga. I hope you join us in this journey. Please click the subscribe button for more videos regarding Ashtanga Yoga. Thank you for joining us today.